Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, we need to test the efficiency of a new blood pressure medication on a group of patients. So we have here a group of 15 patients and we have two medical examinations. Examination 1 before taking this medication and examination 2 after taking that medication. And here we found the difference between the two examinations before and after taking the medicine. So now we need to calculate the confidence interval to find the efficiency of that test. So we have 15 patients, n equal 15. Based on that, the degree of freedom is n minus 1 equal 14. Sample mean equal minus 5. And our calculations will be based on the difference. So the difference now is our target. And based on that, we found the sample mean equal minus 5. So I will double click to show you how we calculated sample mean. We took the average of this range of the 15 patients. And the same thing for the sample standard deviation, which is 12.81. Based on that, standard error equal 3.31. We obtained it after we divided H6, which is the sample standard deviation, by the n square root, which is 3.87. So this is the square root of n. And the result here is 3.31. And because this is a medical study, the confidence level would equal 99%. So alpha equal 1%. Based on that, T for alpha by 2 will equal 0.005. We need to find the value for T 0.005 and the degree of freedom is 14. Let's go to T-table to find the value. So we say degree of freedom is 14. This is 14. And the confidence level is 0.005, which is this one. Based on that, the value that we need is 2.977. So we selected this value already, 2.977. And you see here the formula is D. D is the difference because we are taking the differences minus the margin of error to get the lower limit and plus the margin of error to get the upper limit. So if I double click, you will see how we calculated the lower and upper limit. The mean of the difference minus L13 here is the T value times H7. H7 is the standard error. And the value is minus 15.11. Same thing here, just we added the margin of error and we found the value of the upper limit equal 4.58. So now we come to our conclusion. What does that mean to have one value in negative and one in positive? In other words, what does it mean if we got 0 inside this interval? We are 99% confident that the mean difference in blood pressures before and after using the medicine is between minus 15.11 and 4.58. And based on that, there is no statistically significant difference in blood pressures before and after taking the medicine. And the reason behind that, the confidence interval for the mean difference includes 0. And because we have 0, we conclude that there is no effect or impact for that medicine. If we have only negative numbers or positive numbers in our interval, we can say there is a negative or positive impact for that medicine.